Hello friends, welcome to our Food Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be sharing 3 chaat recipes with the same ingredients.
So we are preparing masala peanut chaat and masala peanut papad.
Okay, if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe and ring the bell button for notifications. Let us see the ingredients required for this recipe. Peanut, 1 cup or groundnuts, tomato, onion, lemon, curry leaves, red chili powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder, salt, hingu or asafoetida, cashew nuts. Take a pan, add peanuts. I have taken 100 grams of peanuts and roast it in a low flame. Remember to roast it in a low flame. We have to roast this for about 8 minutes in a low flame.
We'll mention the ingredient details in the description as well. You can refer to that.
So you should have some patience to roast this because it takes time and it will be crunchy if you roast it in a low flame. So once it is roasted well, take this into a bowl. And once it is cooled, you have to crush it like this and you have to remove the outer skin of the peanuts. In this way you have to remove. This is really tasty and very good chaat, I can say. So once if you remove all the skin, it looks like this. Next, take a pan or 2 tablespoons of oil. Add curry leaves.
So here also we need to fry in a low flame.
Yeah. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 pinch of hingu or asafoetida, half tablespoon of turmeric powder and mix well. We have to fry this in low flame, else it will burn out. Once it's done, add cashews. Cashews is optional. If you like, you can add, else you can skip it.
So it will enhance the taste. So it's optional. If you have, you can add, else you can skip this.
Yeah. Roast it in a low flame. Once it is roasted well, you can add the roasted peanuts.
Mix well.
Yeah, we have to mix well and fry it in a low flame. You can store this for 15 days in a airtight container. So it's almost done. Let's take this into a bowl. So once it is cooled down, you can store it in a airtight container.
So this is the first snack?
Yeah, this is masala peanut.
Yeah, right.
So now we are making masala peanut chaat out of this. It looks really good.
We can store this in a airtight container and we can use it till 15 days.
Okay, let's make a masala peanut chaat. For this, add 1 cup of onion. I have taken 1 onion and 1 medium sized tomato. Squeeze half a lemon. Add half a tablespoon of salt. Add half a tablespoon of chili powder. Mix all these ingredients very well. If you want it to be more spicy, then you can increase the quantity of chili powder and salt. So now our masala peanut chaat is ready. Instead of munching on unhealthy outside snack, you can just prepare like this, which can be made very easily with the limited ingredients. Let's serve this. Take it in your plate. It looks like this. Let me taste it. Yeah, it's tasty. Yeah, it's tasty and nice. Now let's see the next chart. Take 1 deep fried papad and spread the content what we have prepared now. So spread it evenly. If you want, you can add salt or sprinkle some chili powder. It will enhance the taste. You can garnish with coriander leaves. So this is really tasty chaat. So we have seen 3 chaat recipes here, which can be made quickly and easily. So give it a try. I hope you found this recipe useful. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.